Hey everyone. So if you want to lighten up your frown lines in just 12 minutes, you can naturally lighten up and ease your forehead wrinkles. Okay, so let's get started. Hi, I'm Petra, and I have been a holistic health practitioner and a certified masseuse for the past 14 years, and that's my main profession. So here I am doing face yoga too from now on. Okay, so the frown lines. We're gonna do 9 exercises, 1 minute each. And first, we're going to do some basic, like setting the basics. So first, just do some nice gentle massage under your collarbones. So your body has meridian lines and prana and energy lines as well, and all kinds of channels and stuff like that. And here you actually have not you don't only have lymph nodes, but you also have the kidney meridian line starting. So this is a very important detox pathway as well. Okay, also when I say what does it mean to create the basics, so first hold your posture, become conscious of your breath. I've been a yoga instructor too. I've been holding group and personal classes for just about 12 years or something, and I have been practicing for 16 years at least. So posture and the strength of the core stability is a must. So we're gonna do some shoulder circles, and you're gonna hold your circles back, down and back. Okay, and feel free to just remind yourself of this, during the day as well. So with the basics, we have the breath conscious, we have some lymph moving, and we have the posture right. Okay, so after this, you're gonna just come into your body. Okay, because we have been trained to be up on our heads, and you just bring your focus down into your body, like to just descend down into your body. All right, so breathe and be conscious of your breath and your posture the whole way. So first things first, very easy. Take your two fingers, pointing and middle finger, and instead of just holding static, so you're not just holding static, the in between the two eyebrows, the starting of the eyebrows, but you like slowly, a little bit, you press, and you also make it go out. So you press a little first, and then you make it go out. All right, so press and out, and then you press here at the beginning of the eyebrow. You can close your eyes because it feels just delicious. It's a very good feeling, the whole art of massage, the whole massage, the massage of the whole body, and the massage of the forehead too, and the whole face. It just feels beautiful and amazing. So do some circles here both ways. So you press and the circles both way, and you at the same time you like press it out. So your circle out and out and out and out. Okay, so next one, just do one finger, and you either can circle into one direction or circle the other. Make sure you breathe, make sure your posture stays. Okay, so posture is horrible for most of humans because we haven't been taught how to do it. Sitting in schools, everyone is just like slouchy, going on the streets and everything, so the shoulder always falls in front. So keep your shoulder and your posture nice and straight. And in the meantime, make sure you release long breaths out. All right, so we store a lot of tension in our body, everywhere, in all of our bodies, in our multidimensional bodies, and it just stress and anger and everything built up, and when you let it out, you breathe out, it really is like as if you're releasing some dark, old, heavy energy. So when tension builds up and you release it through massage from the face, make sure you have these conscious, long out breaths as well. All right, so next one, what we're gonna do is now that we sort of warmed up this area, you're gonna hold. So just for 1 minute, you just simply hold and you breathe deeply. All right. So breathing deeply and consciously is the first element of yoga and concentration and all meditation practices, and is actually the first and easiest way to stop the racing of the mind and start to control the mind, because the pace of the breath and the mind is connected. So the slower and deeper you breathe, the calmer and more peaceful you will get, and you're going to start to build this inner strength no matter of outside circumstances. All right, so just breathe deeply, and with every breath descend down into your body and just hold the pinch, make it feel good, as hard as you want to. Just release tension built up here, from everything, looking at the street, going out to the streets, going through traffic. It just builds it up, and just release through conscious, long, strong exhales. Okay, so now after this, we're going to start to pinch a little bit. So you're gonna work this tiny part from the middle. You go a little bit out to the side, and you like very, very, very tiny steps. You pinch out all the way, and then you go back, and then you pinch out all the way. And when you're going to the side, make sure you also like pull the skin, pull the eyebrow a little bit to the side. Now just do 3 long, nice strokes. It feels very good to massage through the eyebrows for some weird reason. Okay, so now the absolute best, my absolute favorite is the cross pulling, all right? So we're gonna do this cross pulling. You start from the opposite eyebrow, and you pull diagonally, okay? So yeah, like diagonally up to the side, and this should feel very, very good. This should feel very, very good. And just make sure you're in the body, you're paying attention to your breath, and you also hold your posture, all right? So these are very, very, very basics, like body awareness, sitting deep down in the body, like feeling out your body completely with your body awareness, always feeling every inch of your body down to the tip of your toes. This is one basic practice and skill set that you can master through conscious breathing and conscious body work, such as yoga or stretching or Pilates or any kind of workout if you do any, all right? So make sure that the strokes are long, so you pull it out all the way to the sides. And just don't forget the long exhales, so any build up stress just gets out of you in one way or another. Okay, so after this, we're gonna continue this movement, this out from the middle movement, but we're gonna do it with the fists a little bit stronger if you like it. And you can cover your entire forehead from the eyebrow level up to the hairline, and just start from the middle and use your knuckles and make it as strong as you like it, all right? Just make it nice. Don't allow your posture to slouch and stuff like that. And just breathe into your belly and scan your body if you have any tension stored in your belly area, in your navel area. Most of us have around your stomach. Just simply existing on this planet is sort of stressful sometimes. So just do conscious release. All right, so after this one, we're still gonna use our knuckles. And here, what you're gonna do is you're going to move horizontally, and this should feel amazing as well. Come out to the side all the way, come out all the way to the temple of your forehead, to the temples of your head. Go in the middle, go all the way out. As for the breathing, it is the best, and it's like, scientifically proven. It's known ages old by the yogis. Breathing is happening through the nose, all right? So it's the nose that is really designed for breathing, not the mouth. So just make sure you take this little mental note. All right, so now we're gonna do another delicious practice. So we're gonna press 3 points. So you press here one, and when you press, you have the intention to pull it away, to pull the eyebrows away. So you press and pull in the front of your eyebrows. You move to the side, you press and pull in the middle of the eyebrows. While you're pulling, you're also pressing, and then you press and pull at the end of the eyebrows, and this should feel very good. So press and pull to the sideways, press in the middle, and also pull. Just make it very deep and slow. And here, press and pull. And now that when you're here, you slide to the temple and do some very, very nice feeling. That this is where really the tension builds up, like when we grind our teeth, when we have to hold our tongue, and just all the stress, the teeth grinding, the jawline, the jaw lock, there's like sort of a lock here. So just make sure that you give this a little extra care. And then let's do 2 more of this. So press and pull and breathe out. So exhale all the stress. Take nice deep inhalation, hold a little bit the inhalation, and then release out, okay? And do some circle. 1 more. So inhale, move to the middle, and start exhaling, sorry. All right, and some last exercise that's very, very, very nice. So what we're gonna do, you're gonna have your fingers and you're gonna start to do the horizontal finger slide, sort of, or, I just call this like this finger vibration, or the swipes, the finger swipes. And this should feel also very good. So you can do it only in the middle, or you can go to the sides and just do the whole forehead. It's going to really refresh. It's going to get the blood flow, the circulation moving. It's just really gonna wake up the entire forehead area, and all the thinking, all the mental stress. It's good for our brain cells. It's good for our entire being to do this. I don't even know how come that, this has just been like a big hype for now. It should have been, things like this should be taught from the very beginning. So it's a mystery, or it's not like it's a mystery. But anyways, so after this, we're gonna do just a little refreshing head massage in a way where you use the soft part of your fingers, and you do first a little bit of a vibration, okay? So let's do just vibrating a little, just to freshen up your hair, gums, and all of that. And then, like when you go to the hairdresser, you go to the hairdresser, and the hairdresser gives you that very nice massage before, she washes your hair. So just do it really deep everywhere. This also should feel delicious. Something like this should also always be the end of your workout practice or your face massage practice, just something very nice. Okay, so I hope you liked it, and if you did, just press subscribe or like and whatever. I'm gonna have weekly videos every week, and not only face yoga, but later, all the natural beauty recipes and herbal health stuff I have been practicing and studying and just gathering the past 16 years now. I started to do this whole thing when I was, I don't know, like 2010, and ever since, it became my life, and I'm just gonna do this till the rest of my life. It's so good. So let's do this instead of, the knives and the surgeries. No, all right? So bye-bye.